Welcome to Acure, the ultimate all-in-one tool for data observability and automated monitoring. Acure is not just another monitoring platform. It is a powerful solution with a low-code engine that helps you automate the entire process of working with data and make it more effective, from collecting and visualization to event correlation and scripts. With Acure, you no longer need to track data across multiple screens. Now it can be collected in one place by connecting different sources, including popular monitoring systems. Forget about manual routine. Using low-code scenarios, automatically build a CMDB, discover and update the elements and connections of IT infrastructure, and display it on a single topology graph. Use the low-code engine to connect the special approach, signals, to automatically reduce information noise and deduplicate events and alerts. Decrease the time to find the cause of the problem. Monitor the health of the system, which changes according to the signals. Follow the connections of the graph to perform root cause analysis and find the broken configuration item. Use automation services and set up automatic actions in response to system changes, notifications, task executions, and autoscripts like auto-healing. Obviously, data monitoring is impossible without data. You can connect any data source to Acure using your own tasks or ready-made configuration templates. For this purpose, go to the Data Streams section. Click Add Data Stream, fill in the fields, and choose the configuration template in the pop-up window. After the stream is configured, you can see it in the list of data streams. If you need to connect external agents, use Agent Coordinators, entities that monitor and distribute tasks between agents connected to it. You can also see raw data coming into Acure from connected data streams in the Events and Logs section. Here you can filter logs by period, pick the necessary interval, and analyze it in your preferred view, table, or JSON. All data collected from data streams are also displayed in a comfortable topology view, service model graph. The service model is one of Acure's main features. It shows all components of your IT and the relationships between them on one screen. Here you can also see the list of configuration items, their statuses, and detailed information with attributes and health when you click each item. Use filters to change the view of the map and set up your own maps only with the necessary configuration items and links according to filters. As for the statuses and the health of the system, special indicators are responsible for this important parameter, signaling changes in the state of infrastructure elements. A signal is a dynamic alarm with a start time and an end time. It provides information about the exit of any parameter from the regular state and deduplicates the primary events. You can see all signals, current and closed, in the corresponding tab on the service model window. Information includes ID, description and name, duration, associated CIs and events, special labels, additional tags, actions according to the signal, and other information. The CI attached to the signal takes over its criticality. For example, if a high level of criticality is attached to some CIs, then the CIs are also painted in the corresponding red color, and the health according to the signal is changed. By tracing the connections of the root CI on the map, you can easily investigate and eliminate the cause of the problem. In Acure, signals are used for event deduplication and correlation. The signal is opened only for the first alert. Then the corresponding events are also collected in this signal. This prevents duplication of events. Due to the severity, only important events can be prioritized, meaning that they are correlated. By default, only unclosed signals are displayed, which will help minimize information noise. In Acure, we see IT as a dynamic environment. New elements appear, their connections switch, and their status changes. There are never enough human resources to constantly update the infrastructure's information manually. Therefore, Acure automates these functions. Another feature of Acure is the low-code automation engine. Without hard coding, you can write or connect a few automated scenarios and forget about manual tasks. Click New Scenario to add new scenarios. CMDB Auto-Discovery automatically builds a unified CMDB, adds new elements and relationships to the map, and updates the service model in real time. Here you can see an example of a Zabbix auto-discovery scenario. Or, Signal Processor connects signals for automated correlation of monitoring events, like the Zabbix processor in this example. Use visual blocks and establish connections between them to create event processing scenarios. Don't forget to activate it after compilation. After scenario activation, all monitoring or topology change events will be processed automatically. In Acure, you can also use automation services to set up automatic actions in response to system changes, alerts, notifications, task execution, and auto scripts like auto-healing. To send notifications or run scripts to the Acure system, you need to define the rules in the Rules and Actions section, conditions that execute the associated action. The actions can be customized for all CIs simultaneously without any complex programming to any specific schedule. For synthetic checks of services and devices, use the auto tests. Imitate user actions and report any anomalies as they run, even when infrastructure monitoring does not signal a problem. Run auto tests on internal or external agents. The auto test screen is designed to make managing functional testing projects easier. Adjust workgroups' access to tests and also link them to configuration items. Set up the time period in which your project will be launched. The received build reports will be your health indicators of services and devices. For information about the changes made to the service model, check the changelog section in the Service Model window. The Maintenance tab contains information about all works according to the service map. Use availability reports to calculate the system availability. The report includes indicators for the entire map, for a selected period of time, and for the specific or every configuration item included in the map according to your filters. In Acure, as an administrator of your space, you can create and manage new users, invite them to the space, organize them into work groups, assign rights, and set up notifications depending on certain characteristics. You can find more detailed information on docs.acure.io. Ask questions or participate in discussions on community.acure.io or our Discord channel. Contact support at acure.io for additional support. Turn raw data into useful actions and take monitoring to a new level with acure.io.